Test mic, test mic, test mic, test. What's up, cookerists? Yes, so I'll be using that cookerist to address all of you watching because I've been in YouTube for 2 years already and I haven't addressed you properly, my audience. Thank you so much. And I don't know if this cookerist works out, then great. If not, then it's okay. If you want cookerists, then just comment cookerist. If not, then I will just continue to call you boss and madam in my comment section or in the chat during the premiere. Anyway, that's not today's episode. Today's episode is about meatless breakfast. Yes, so first, I'm not a vegan and I'm not a vegetarian. There's a huge difference between vegan and vegetarian. Alright, just a quick difference between the two aside from the spelling and the length of their letters. Vegan is more on a lifestyle, which means that everything that you wear, everything that you use must not have any meat products on it. Like your clothes must be organic, there's no synthetic materials there, and your bags, they're not leathered, they're all eco-friendly. That's a vegan lifestyle, and it doesn't limit to what you eat. While vegetarian, it's about your diet more on vegetables, and there's also fruitarian, there's also lacto-ovo vegetarianism kind of. So yeah, anyway, I just want to do the meatless breakfast because it's cheap, it's easy to make, and it's healthy. You ready? Let's go. Alright, so the ingredients for our meatless breakfast is ready. Ta-da! So you've seen I've charred the eggplant that's the right term for that, charred eggplant, not barbecue eggplant. Anyway, so we've sliced it into two. So one is for ensaladang talong later, obviously. So these are the ingredients for ensaladang talong. Yes, I did not cook the okra because I can eat raw okra and it's delicious. And then we have our ginger, we have our tomato, and we have our white onion. Do you know that white onion is better than red onion in terms of salad? Now you know. Anything, you can choose actually red onion. Yeah, anyway. And then for this one, we were gonna make tortang talong. Yay, this is budget friendly episode 2, because we were gonna make it tortang talong. And for our ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, baking powder, and cornstarch. Yes, that's it. And we wanna just add water because we're trying to make it a little bit meatless. And by the way, going back to the ensaladang talong, naturally I just add salt and then I eat it, but today I'm gonna experiment with the sauce. So we will use vinegar, sugar, and salt for our ensaladang talong. And if you've seen that, if you've noticed, we have that still white onion, we have our petchay, and we have our okra. So we're gonna make a sour soup, sinigang without meat. Yes! And we're gonna prepare them all, and we'll see you in a bit. And let's go. Alright, so the plating is not good because no budget show and I don't have an idea how to do the plating, but it's totally fine, I think. And yes, this is our meatless breakfast, and at the same time budget friendly because you have one talong or one eggplant and you have 2 recipes. And yeah, with this sinigang, now let me just take a slurp. Same. Alright, so first the salad. I just want to use my hand, sorry. Ensaladang talong. Not bad. And okra. Raw okra is really good. Of course, this is our talong. And this is very easy. This is very healthy. It's actually almost lunchtime, so it's not breakfast anymore. It's brunch, as I haven't eaten my breakfast yet. So if you want to see me finish this plate of everything, then visit this special ASMR. I think I will have food ASMR. I will not end it for episode 13, but I will have a separate video. Like, I will finish everything and just want to make you jealous of the meal that I'm eating. And if it works, then it works. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. So anyway, itadakimasu.
Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.